Hey guys, how we doing today? This is Ryan doing another one of my quick videos here. Today I'm driving the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. This is a 2019 model. It's actually a rental or a loaner because my car is currently in the shop. I've already done kind of a full review on this thing, but with this car today I just wanted to talk about the driving dynamics. So the first things a person will notice if they've been in a Giulia is that it's basically the same dash, infotainment, steering wheel, same setup, and driving wise very similar as well. But I want to show you what's neat about this car is that I can take it on a gravel road. So with the Giulia, I would not do this. It's also, my Giulia has low pros, but these tires are kind of more designed for something like this, and that's why you get into one of these cars. You still get that sporty feel, which is fantastic, but you can feel that you're a little higher up. In my experience, I don't think that I would take I don't think I would take one of these cars, because if I'm getting an SUV, you might as well get that third row. But you still get that sporty kind of, look at the size of these paddle shifters. So it really is the same driving experience for me, other than, of course, you feel that you're a little bit higher up. It's still tight on the corners that you get from the Giulia. These cars are crazy. I can't believe how sporty, how much fun they are. So that's just a quick breakdown of what my experience has been driving the Alfa Giulia, or the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. This car really does hug the road and all the corners. But I don't think I personally would ever get it, because if I'm getting a sports car, it's going to be a sports car. If I'm going to get an SUV, it's going to probably have more room than this thing. So that's my experience. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe.